In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the task management features in HubSpot to efficiently organize your workflow. Let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most of HubSpot's tools for keeping track of your tasks and boosting productivity. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot User Guide. This is your starting point and serves as a comprehensive resource for all things HubSpot. Simply head over to the HubSpot website and locate the User Guide section. By doing this, you're stepping into a world where you'll find detailed explanations and walkthroughs designed to enhance your user experience. Now, with the user guide open, it's time to direct your attention to the CRM section. Click on CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. This section is crucial because it houses all your contacts, deals, and customer interactions. It's truly the heart of HubSpot, enabling you to manage and analyze your interactions with clients and prospects. Once in the CRM area, focus on the Tasks tab. Clicking on Tasks will lead you to a dashboard where you can view and manage your workload effectively. This powerful feature is where you'll spend a lot of your time as it provides a clear overview of what needs your attention on any given day. By getting familiar with the Tasks area, you can stay organized and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. In your Tasks dashboard, you'll see different views available. Start by exploring the options under Tasks and click on Do Today. This view will display all tasks that require your attention before the day's end. It's perfect for prioritizing your workload and ensuring you're on top of your most immediate responsibilities. Next, switch to the Overdue tab. By clicking here, you'll see any tasks that may have slipped past their deadline. It's important to regularly check this tab to catch up on anything you may have missed. This feature helps you stay accountable and make sure you address any delayed commitments promptly. After reviewing your overdue tasks, head to the Upcoming section. Here you'll see tasks that are on the horizon, not yet due but in your pipeline for the coming days. This forward-looking view helps you prepare and allocate time and resources efficiently, making sure you're ahead of the curve. Finally, if you need to add tasks of your own, click on Create Task. This option allows you to input new tasks into your workflow. When you create a task, you can set the details, assign it to yourself or others, and specify deadlines. It's a simple but powerful tool that provides the flexibility you need to match your specific workload requirements. There you have it, a straightforward guide to navigating tasks in HubSpot. By mastering these steps, you'll effectively manage your daily tasks, ensure deadlines are met, and maintain a clear overview of your upcoming projects. Happy organizing, and see you in the next tutorial.